today we're going to be breaking 11-12 Panini Certified. First box from our case. Thanks guys for your quick payment. Here's the serial number. NE93934497. First time ever breaking anything Panini Certified ever. You excited, Mike?
I don't really like to look at these boxes, but yeah.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. I guess that part's pretty cool.
10 packs?
I like the packs, they look really cool.
Ah, it's not bad.
In this checklist.
Just leave them there.
That looks awesome right there. Big doofus on the front though. $10 packs per box. We got first one, the base of Thomas, and base and a mirror.
Is that
I believe. I don't know.
Yeah, we
no
don't.
idea how those cards work.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
it says
is.
parallel. It's out of 199, and that's going out to Buffalo.
Okay. Thomas Vanek. Mirror red.
Nice decoy. Really thin decoy, actually. It's almost made out of plastic.
Yeah, so that's the first pack.
Base Koivu. Base Kessel. Base Havlat. I haven't got a hit. Base Skinner, and the hit is a fabric of the game, Jimmy Howard. So it says USA, it's one color, and I'm pretty sure it's numbered. Is it not?
No.
Nope.
Oh, it is. It's out of 25.
Oh, wow. It's a pretty nice hit then.
Looks kind of gay.
Yeah, I didn't think it would be a nice card. It's out of 25, and it's the last one printed, is it not?
Yep.
25 out of 25. Nice hit for Detroit.
Packs are a little stronger.
Need to work out a little bit more.
Work out.
Base. Base. And,
Oh, this is cool.
it's Ovi. A collision course. Alex Ovechkin.
No, it's not numbered.
Cool hit. No one goes out to Washington, obviously. Wonder if Dale Hunter's going to be better than Boudreaux. We have a base of Eric Fair, Everly, Ennis, Letang, and wow,
That's
this
our
is
first
a
rookie.
nice rookie. Who is that, Joe Colburn? Oh, that's a very nice rookie. And that is an
Nice card.
autograph rookie patch. I like the patch, it's kind of nice. And
It's a jersey.
What's the number? Or sorry, that's what I meant.
Number 100 out of 499.
So it was a nice hit for Toronto.
Put that in the case right now if you want.
Yeah, that one set up pretty good. Nice. Great, thanks to do that. Base, and a certified potential. Marcus Kruger. So I'm pretty sure it's
It's
just
not numbered.
yeah, it's just a. I guess it's a different I don't even know what to call that. A weird.
Cancer.
Yeah, Cancer.
The base is kind of cool.
Would have been nice to get nicer
Decoys.
But hey, these are pretty strong though. Like, they're plastic almost. See Edmonton. Base, 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 gay decoy, base, and a base. Nothing in that?
Nothing. So first. Hey, aren't we supposed to get
Yeah, you're supposed to get a hit per box.
per pack?
Why is that one gold? That's weird.
It's not gold.
Oh,
Yeah.
they change colors per team.
Yeah.
Okay, that's weird. We didn't get a hit there. I don't know if they guarantee a hit per pack. So if they did, let me know and I'll complain. I already had to complain upper deck. Base LeCavalier, base Evander Kane, base Joe Thornton, and it looks like an LA card of Jonathan Quick. It's just a really gay fabric of the game. Like, that is probably the shittiest patch I've ever seen. Their jersey. That's disgusting looking.
It's out of $2.99.
$3.99.
$3.99.
That is disgusting.
Well, that Jimmy Howard's nice. Relatively.
You mean Jonathan Quick?
No, I'm talking about Jimmy Howard.
Oh, the Jimmy Howard. Well, Jonathan Quick's a nice player. Too bad the card sucks ass. And that is disgusting. It's just like they wasted so much
there's
space
something
doing
in here.
nothing. Oh, that's very nice. Looks like.
Oh, that's of your boy.
Oh yeah, it's very nice. It's a Ryan Kessler
Emerald.
mirror emerald out of 99.
I don't think it's not emerald.
Well, it's green. 71 out of 99. Yeah. I don't know who won Vancouver off the top of my head, but can you message me, please? Looking to get that. No Nugent Hopkins just yet. Base, 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 and another Jimmy Howard. This time it's a marked. Masked marbles. Detroit again. Doing well in this break. Box pop.
Pack.
They only guarantee one rookie jersey per box.
I'm not sure. I haven't really read up on it.
Quite weak. Base, Shane, base,
Oh, it's an auto.
sweet.
Rookie auto.
Eric Gustafson.
It's for Philadelphia.
So that's like, I think it's for the cards, the players that aren't good enough to get their jersey auto.
Well, it is hard signed.
Oh, it is?
Yep.
Oh, that's nice. Was the other one hard signed? Nope.
I don't think they're the same card.
Is that numbered out of anything?
No. And base. Not bad.
Cool. Alright guys, thanks for participating in this break. We'll see you in the next one.
Where everything happening today, you don't know whether you're coming or going, but you think that you're on your way. Life lined up on the mirror, don't blow